If you are always talking about yourself, okay, you are perfect example of illiterate. You chadukunna niraksharasyudu. What is the meaning? Educated illiterate. Educated illiterate. Okay, even though you have PhD degree, it is the waste. The person who is always talking about himself, okay, not having listening capability, this person is the illiterate. There is no use of his education. Intent kind of powerful statement, not required, I hope. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Start listening. Start listening. Listen. That thing must be required, dosto. If you are not going to listen, if you are not going to listen, then automatically, so a number of problems. You can't understand opposite person. Later you are going to tell, oh, I thought something different. Array, already action got completed. Okay, so I thought something different. Sorry, what is the use of that? If you listen completely, no, you can understand them completely. You can take better, wise decisions. Okay, the person who is always going to listen, that person, the chance of doing the mistakes are very, very less now. The person who is hurry-burry, hey, you have to listen, I'm telling you, require to listen. This type of person always going to face the problems. Always going to face the problems, I'm sure. Okay, so if any person telling something, your kid, your life partner, your manager, your friend, your colleague, your parent, your family member, any person, if any person telling something, the best respect, the best gift you can give to the opposite person is what? What is the gift you can give to the opposite person?
You can say more or you can talk more.
Listen more. Listen more. Encourage him to talk more so that you will get more clarity. Okay? Listen with your ears. Listen with your eyes. Listen from your heart. Listen with the full attention. This listening, if you can implement as your regular habit, then the people are going to like you like anything.